Hey guys, what's up? It's Miss Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun basic jazz routine for you. This one's definitely more on the beginning level, but you can always spice it up and add a little more technical moves if you want to. So let's watch a quick preview and let's get started. Alright guys, to start this one, we're going to start in a beveled position again, and we're going to do a chassé to the side. We're going to circle our arms all the way around and back to our hips. So we're going to go 1 and 2. We're going to ball change backwards, 3, 4. From there, we're going to chaîné to the other side, 5, 6. We're going to prep 7, 8. So from here, we can do either a single pirouette or a double pirouette. If you are a little more technical, go for that double pirouette. For this video, I'm going to just stick with that single for those more beginners. So we're going to turn out of it, and then we're going to step and step. So let's piece that together. So we start here, we're going to chassé. 1, 2, bring it back. 3, 4, chaîné. 5, 6, prep. 7, 8. Do a pirouette. 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, we're going to kick, ball change, 5 and 6. We're going to bring it down to up, 7, 8. And I'm going to just do blades up here. From here, I'm going to do 2 hips. 1, 2. I'm going to switch sides, 3, 4. Good, let's go ahead and piece that together from the beginning. We're here, 6, ready, go. You side, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, prep, 8, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, ball, change, down, 2, up, hips, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do that also facing the back so you can see every angle. 5, 6, 7, 8, chassé, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, prep, 8, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, ball, change, down, 2, up, hip, hip, out, in. All right, moving on from here, we're going to shimmy down, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, you're going to step onto that foot that's beveled, 1, you're going to turn it out, hit that passe, 2. Then we're going to step at 3, pivot 4. We're going to do 2 steps, 5, 6. Then we're going to step again on that foot, 7, 8. All right, let's take that back from here. We're going to hit 1, 2. We switch. 3, 4. We shimmy down. 5, 6, 7, 8. You step. 1, 2. Step pivot. 3, 4, you place, 5, 6, again step, 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and piece that together from the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, chassé, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn, 1, 2, place, 3, 4, kick, ball, change, down, 2, up, hips, 1, 2, 3, 4, shimmy down, shimmy up, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I'm going to do all that facing the back as well. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, ball, change, down, up, hip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now moving on to our last 2 counts of 8. We're gonna chaîné side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're gonna drop down 1. We're gonna go ahead and beat those feet together underneath us. We're gonna swing our arms all the way up and back down. So it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3. Bring it up. 4. We're gonna swing these arms all the way around. 5 and 6. We're gonna step it out. 7 and 8. And that is going to be the end of our choreography. So let's review those last 2 counts of 8 again. We're here. Chaîné. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. 1. Beat. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, guys, let's piece this together from the very beginning, nice and slow, front and back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Prep. 7, 8. Pirouette. 1, 2. Place. 3, 4. Kick. Ball change. Down. 2. Up. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy. Down. Shimmy. Up. Step. Passe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chaînés. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Up. 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Prep. 8. Turn. 1, 2. Place. 3, 4. Kick. Ball change. Down. 2. Up. Hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy. Down. Shimmy. Up. Step. Passe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chaînés. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, guys, it is now time to piece this one together with the music. Remember, you can always speed it up or slow it down, even do it to your favorite song. So good luck and try your best. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that jazz combo. If you did, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button right down below for new videos every week.